Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So this is the dirty spot right here. Let's see. This thing kind of got me tired. I was gonna go for a ride. I still might, cause you know I wanna pull up on people. I wanna pull up.
What's so serious? Let's get it, man. Lanes, serious, lanes, serious, lanes, serious, lanes, serious, serious, lanes, serious, lanes, serious, lanes, serious, serious, lanes, serious, serious, serious. Let's calm down.
Why so serious? What's going on, Serious Nation? It's your guy, Serious Mindset, and we are back with another video. Hey, look, this video, I know you see the visuals. We at 4K. We at 4K, dog. But, hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hey, at the end of the day, make sure, hey, I appreciate you for watching for one. Make sure you drop that fire emoji right after Why So Serious. I greatly appreciate it. Or just drop a fire emoji. Just let me know that you're watching my stuff. But as you see, we're gonna show the wide body thing. So this is the wide body thing right here. Again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like it too. It helps with the algorithm. What's up, homie? Got the neighbor saying what's up. LD97. So you guys seen the last visual. The LD97s are not on the wide body. I'm not going to get into details in this video particularly. I might not, but this video, we are going to be working on these tire stickers. So if you're new to the channel and you don't know, the homie El Fucio, he put me on game about tire stickers, and you know, I just took it and ran with it with my own little design. You see the Thunderbolt? I'm literally the only person with that Thunderbolt design because I designed it. Not saying that I made it up, but I designed it. What's so serious? But we're gonna go ahead and pull up the wide body because I already cleaned it last night. It was cold. When I say you cold, cold. So we're gonna pull up the wide body. We got a cold start. I will show y'all my garage, but it looks a hot, crazy mess. But we're gonna get this cold start. Let's get that going. All right, so it is a nice, oh, it feels good outside. In the garage is cold, but it feels good outside. Hold on. So, as you see, we got the ram. We got the ram right here as well, sitting on the side of the garage as well. One thing I don't like about some of these houses in Washington is that they design them, the way that they design them with a small driveway. So I really, like, if people park on the other, like in the front, I have nowhere to park. So it's very agitating. I thought I watched that. Man, it was cold. I was trying to get up and get out. See, I ain't watched it, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of spray or whatnot. See, this is one thing that I don't like. And if you've seen the video with the 5 things I don't like about my wide body, I'm telling you, this in general, Challengers, this area right here is so much prone to just get dirty fast just by sitting in the garage. Because I barely, like I said, I barely drive my wide body, which the weather's gonna start to clear up. So we're gonna get to it. So let me go ahead and get straight to the video. So we're gonna be cleaning up these tire stickers. My guy El Fucio told me that he told me I need to get a rugged brush, not a heavy, crazy bristle brush, but something to agitate the dirt. So I think I had a brush. See, this is See, I got one of these rim brushes to be gentle on the actual finish. I need like a real bristle brush. Damn, I thought I had one. So what I might have to do, yeah. So I'm gonna go with one of these. So we're gonna go with one of these. See, so it says stiff bristle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna agitate all this dirt out so you guys can see my Why So Serious. Look at that. Look at that. So you guys gonna see the before and after. So I'm gonna do this one. I'm over here. Am I scratching the tire? Oh, it's ashy. Well, all right, so let me go ahead and get some water, get some buckets, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, guys, so I didn't go over this. I went on ahead and took an early step, so I don't know if you can tell or whatnot, but I went on ahead and sprayed the wheels and tires with a degreaser. So I went on ahead and sprayed it with a degreaser. I'm letting it sit on there for a while. Man, the wind is blowing crazy. So I let it sit on there for a while. I do have me a bucket of water. And then with this bucket of water, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep agitating everything, and I spray my wheel too. So one thing as well, when y'all see me in the Washington streets or wherever y'all see me and y'all call me out, I'm swiping them wheels. Dun 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 dun. Why so serious? All right, so let me go ahead and get to cleaning these wheels. Like I said, the paint, look, everything is smooth, but I do need to put another ceramic coat on the wide body itself. There is nothing nice with cleaning some wide wheels. Nothing nice at all.
Approximately 10 hours later.
All right, so after many months later, literally SpongeBob words, right? After many months later, what I did, trying to explain this. What I did was I went on ahead and I took the scrubber and I scrubbed it the first time. As you see, it's very ashy. I did have the degreaser. Shout out to Carritos Auto Detailing, my guy, real good guy, real good products as well. I will put his information down, link in the description. But I use his cleaner. Oh, and I'm also tagged the video where he actually cleaned my wide body, because he made these things sparkling white. So since my wide body has been sitting in the garage for literally 2 months, or not even 2 months, but a month, you know, I'm gonna have some of this. So what I did, aside from using that, I made it ashy, was I used the tire stickers Bright Rubber Bright. And one of the things that they say in the directions is let it sit. I'm not gonna zoom in or whatnot, but you can spray, let it sit for a while, and then wipe it. So we're gonna get my rag that's in the bucket. Let's get this bucket. Literally walked all the way around for nothing. Now mind you, just think if I had to clean the car. This is just the tire stickers alone. Like if you want your tire stickers like white, like this is what you got to do. And then my Thunderbolt is yellow, so it looks like somebody literally put like, I don't even know. I ain't gonna even get into that. But as you see, I have here. This water is so cold. Golly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So this is the dirty spot right here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's say it's supposed to go white. Like it's going a little white. What you guys think? See, from the camera it's different, but you still can see like the little details. So we're gonna try to agitate that dirt. You see how that looks? Oh, them 4K visuals are crazy. But you guys can see, oh man, you see that? So it's bleeding it a little bit. Oh man. Oh no, we don't want that. Let's see. All right. Sheesh. Yeah, that thing kind of. Oh, but it does make it white. It does make it brighter. I give it that. Oh yeah, it gives us a little bit more light. So you can see that Thunderbolt compared to that one. So if you let that sit, I guess you gotta put water on it or whatnot. So let me go ahead and get that going, cause I'm your boy a little. Oh look, yeah, you can tell that thing getting white. Oh, we working. So it looks like what you had to do was put a little water on that thing, and then just a slight little agitation. Get that thing a little bit. All right, guys. So we are back. I don't know if y'all can see my face, but man, I am like, thing kind of got me tired. I was gonna go for a ride. I still might, cause I wanna pull up on people. I wanna pull up. No, but anyway, here we are, guys. So check it out. Sun is on it as well. As you see, the wheel looks like I got it when I pulled it off from the showroom floor. Tire stickers, this is how they look now. So you really have to work hard to get these things icy white. And this is the last one that I just finished, because I didn't want to bore you guys too much. But at the end of the day, when you are cleaning your tire stickers, or if you decide to get some tire stickers, just know, so it's so much stuff that you got to do for these tire stickers that when you get them, it's not just going through an automated car wash or paying for somebody to hand wash your car. It's so much that you got to do that is, to me, it's worth it if it's not your daily driver. But if it's your daily driver, it's like you really have to keep these tire stickers up. So at the end of the day, it's like a love-hate relationship. But that's, what I mean? It's a give and take. It looks good. I get a whole bunch of compliments. When I'm rolling, it's real nice. So at the end of the day, I'm tired, man. I'm tired. I was gonna roll, because this is the first forecast day that's like Washington is not flip the script on us. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some nice gear, you know what I'm saying? Put on some nice gear, and I'm gonna go ahead and catch somebody on that 10-mile roll per hour, you know what I mean? And then go from there. But at the end of the day, I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Hey, if you got any questions or whatnot about the build, about the tire stickers, anything, the bags, because I know a lot of people have been hitting me up about the airbags, my airbag system. But at the end of the day, put that like on there. It helps me grow. It helps with the algorithm. I greatly appreciate it. We in 4K, baby. 4 mother K, baby. But at the end of the day, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow the IG. Make sure you do all that crazy stuff or whatnot. It helps with the algorithm. Helps me grow. At the end of the day, we're trying to get to 5K subscribers. Stay motivated. Stay serious. Watch some serious.
What's so serious?